Goleta, known as the Good Land for its natural beauty, coastal lifestyle, and vibrant neighborhoods, is showing some interesting movements in the housing market this week. Whether you live near the bluffs, in the foothills, or close to Old Town, these latest numbers can help you understand exactly where the market is heading. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg with Bloomberg Global Real Estate, here with your weekly Goleta update. This week, the median list price for single-family homes in Goleta is $4,750,000. The Market Action Index is at 39, which puts us in a slight seller's advantage. That's a small drop from 41 last month, meaning conditions have eased just a bit toward buyers, though sellers still hold the upper hand. Inventory has decreased to 15 homes on the market, keeping supply tight. The median price of new listings is $895,000, and the average price per square foot is $1,700, one of the highest price per square foot figures in the region. On average, homes are spending 102 days on the market, with a median of 63 days. Those that are priced well and marketed strategically are moving even faster. Right now, 40% of homes have seen a price reduction, showing that some sellers are adjusting to meet current demand. 0% of homes have increased in price, which tells us buyers are still being selective. We're also seeing 27% of properties relisted, often due to transactions falling through or listings expiring, and that can create opportunities for prepared buyers. The median rent in Goleta is $6,168 per month, which can encourage some renters to consider buying, especially if the right home comes on the market. With inventory as low as it is, buyers are having to act quickly when they find something that fits their needs. So, if you're a Goleta homeowner, the market is still leaning in your favor, but the slight softening in the Market Action Index means this is a great time to position your property strategically. Pricing it correctly, presenting it beautifully, and marketing it effectively can help you achieve the best results. If you'd like to know exactly what your home could sell for in today's market, contact me directly in the Santa Barbara area at 805-450-6006. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg with Bloomberg Global Real Estate, serving Goleta, Santa Barbara, and the entire Santa Ynez Valley. Let's make your next move the right one.